Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dr. Deepak Kumar Basedia. Today we will discuss about the source of impurity in pharmaceutical substance. The impurity in pharmaceutical substance is very important topic. It is the basic and fundamental topic for new drug discovery and design. There are number of compounds that are already present in market. They contain trace amount of impurity, tiny amount of unwanted chemical substances. Today we will discuss about the what is impurity, type of impurity, source of impurity, effect of impurity, and test for their purity. So first of all, we discuss about the impurity. What do the mean of impurity? Impurities are chemical substances, unwanted chemical substances that are present in your pure drug. Your pure drug contain number of chemical substances, unwanted heavy metals in trace amount. They may be cause toxicity. Apart from drug, any type of chemical substances are impurity. Impurity of any material affect the purity of pure drug. Presence of impurity in pharmaceutical chemical substances may cause toxicity, and the toxicity definitely cause acute or chronic toxicity. First of all, we learn acute and chronic toxicity. Acute toxicity, the toxic chemical substances that produce side effect in short term, and their effect are lesser. Chronic toxicity, the effect are produced long term and it are highly severe effect. Suppose your drug compound contain any type of impurity in term of heavy metals like lead, arsenic, bismuth, mercury. They produce chronic side effect and disease like cancer, kidney failure, liver failure, and it is highly harmful for body. Then we will discuss about the type of impurity. There are three types of chemical impurities: organic impurities, inorganic impurities, and residual impurities. The drug may be contain organic impurity that will be produced during the manufacturing process. Inorganic impurity, it arises from raw material, catalyst, and manufacturing process. Mainly they are heavy metals and they are salts. Residual solvent, during the process, during the manufacturing process, number of volatile organic compound used, and they may be retained in tracer amount, and it will appear in final product, and definitely it is harmful. Now we are discussing about the source of impurities. The impurity come from your final product. It will come from raw material that are used for manufacturing process, solvent used for manufacturing process, manufacturing hazard, inquiry storage condition, decompositions of product during storage. These are the main source of impurity. First of all, we discuss about the raw material used in manufacturing process. Raw material is the starting material that are used during the manufacturing process. Suppose your compound contain any type of impurity in raw material, in starting material, definitely it will appear in your final product. For example, table salt, the salt that you use in kitchen, their cost is 5 to 10 rupees per kg and maximum cost is 20 rupees per kg. Same salt, same saline NaCl used during the manufacturing process of water for injection, saline, their cost is 500 rupees per kg. The cost variation only and only depend on their quality. The kitchen salt, table salt, NaCl definitely contain number of impurities apart from NaCl. Other inorganic chemical substances present as a impurity. The salt NaCl that are used in pharmaceutical industry, their costing is 500 rupees per kg. Definitely it is free from any type of chemical contamination, any type of chemical impurities, and their cost is 500 rupees per kg. The cost variation totally based on their quality. Second one is solvent used during the manufacturing process. Suppose your solvent that are used for manufacturing process, it contain any type of chemical impurity or other volatile or non-volatile chemical residues, it will appear in your final product. Water is universal solvent, and water also contain number of inorganic mineral impurities, and sometimes definitely it added as a solvent, universal solvent in your product, and lot of chances of impurity came from your product by solvent. Manufacturing hazard. During the manufacturing process, suppose your process is not correct, you use the process, contamination in process, your person is not trained, your machine is not clean, your equipment is not clean, your person is not trained, definitely there are chance of manufacturing hazard. Then next is storage condition. In terms of stability of your pharmaceutical product, storage condition is most important term, most important thing for pharmaceutical product. Suppose their storage condition is cool temperature, room temperature, and temperature are accelerated, definitely there are degradation of your product, and degraded product are contaminated. Your product are converted in another things. So improper storage condition is also major cause of impurity. Suppose your product are specific storage condition, specific packaging conditions, and you overlook the storage condition, definitely there are chance of impurity. Decomposition of product during storage, definitely the same things. Suppose in proper storage condition, your product are degraded, and the degraded product are as a impurity. So inferior quality of starting material, solvent are contaminated, your manufacturing process are not correct, you are not use proper storage condition, proper storage packaging, so there are chances of impurities.